Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a new Shopmissa release. These are the AOA Studio Sunday afternoon eyeshadow quads that retail for only $1. Could these be a dupe for those loved bite-sized minis we've seen in the market? Could be. So let's break these down together to see if this collection is worth it. So we'll be breaking down this video into 3 easy categories: packaging, color story, and pigmentation. So let's dive in. So let's go ahead and start with packaging. We have the sleek white packaging, we have the clear top, we have the AOA Studio logo, and we have a nice size sticker in the back that has Sunday afternoon eyeshadows and all of the actual names. So I love that this collection picked names that are very Sunday Fun Day appropriate, which brings us to the theme of the line. So the theme of the line is talking about a Sunday Fun Day, activity-filled day from the beginning of the day all the way to the afternoon. So the great thing about these eyeshadows is that it takes the thinking away from picking your makeup and focuses on fun options to have an amazing afternoon. So we have 4 different variations in this collection. They are travel size and they are absolutely beautiful. We have names like Depresso, Movie Time, Midday Stroll, and Fuzzy Blanket. These are perfect to throw in your purse, have a quick touch up. They are travel friendly, durable, and absolutely beautiful. So let's talk color story. I love that all the 4 quads are curated to have neutrals with a pop of color. They are meant to complement all skin tones and pretty much be your go-to all-in-one palette. In each quad, we have a transition shade, some fun metallic and shimmers, and some of these even come with glitter. The good news is that I don't have to reach for any other palette when I'm traveling or when I'm touching up. I actually just use this little baby to complete this glamorous look today. So next up we have pigmentation. Let's go ahead and check out the website claims to talk about this. All right, so the website claims that they're buttery velvet eyeshadows that blend seamlessly. They're curated shades for quick looks. They're long wearing, high impact colors. They're enhancing, flattering shades that pop on all complexions. So we have high color impact, luxurious pigmentation, quads that have mattes, metallics, and pressed glitters. All right, so at this point, I've tried 2 to 3 of these quads. I've combined them and I've made sure to try every single finish in this collection. So let's talk about the buttery matte. So I do agree that all the mattes were easy to work with. They were very velvety, very pigmented, and I didn't struggle to blend them onto the skin. I actually used the Depresso quad to create the look today. I wanted to try out the deeper brown and the lighter brown to see if I had any issues blending, and they blend like a dream. So let's talk about the metallics and the foiled finishes. This formula is super interesting. It almost reminded me of the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. They were kind of like bouncy, wet formulas that go on beautifully on the skin, but can be an issue when you're putting on your eyeliner like I did today. So if you are working with these metallics, you can wet your brush to apply. You can simply use your finger to run it all over. Big tip, if you are working with this, do not put it where you're going to put your eyeliner because it might be a little too wet or slippery for the area and you're going to have an issue with your lashes and your liner kind of staying in place. As far as the finish of this type of eyeshadow, it was beautiful, minimal effort, and you're good to go. Last but not least, trying out the glitters was the challenge. So there are 2 glitter options in this collection. We have a party purple mix right here, and then we have that clear, beautiful one that I'm actually wearing on my eyes today. Now, pressed glitters by nature can be a slippery formula, but overall, I felt like these were beautiful, minimal effort. And if you're looking for that quick one and done type of glitter shadow that has lasting power and that's easy to work with, you're gonna love these. So let's talk about quick tips using the super dark matte blue eyeshadows and maybe the brown darker eyeshadows. So these are are velvety and pigmented, but with the blue eyeshadow in particular, I went ahead and wet my brush and tried to be creative, which kind of made the eyeshadow a little bit harder to work with. So blues in nature are a little bit harder to get right. Just overall, the mix, the colors, and the pigmentations, it can be a challenge for a company to give you the best blue without too much fallout or without some kind of issue. So quick fix, if this happens to you and you're getting creative with your mattes, simply scrape off a little bit of the product and you can create your eyeliner. Or if it has created a hard overlay, simply kind of lightly scrape it off and you have a brand new matte eyeshadow. All right, guys, so we've reached the final thoughts and we're here to answer the question, are these worth it? I definitely feel like this line is super cute, on the go, travel friendly, and for $1, I feel like these are beautiful neutrals with pops of colors and interesting finishes. So each of the quads offers something fun for Sunday fun days that I don't have to think about and I don't have to reach for several palettes, so it definitely saves the time. It makes it easy to just pack it in my bag if I need to retouch or if I'm traveling, something easy, reliable that's gonna give me either a daily glam or a full-on glam like I did today. So I would say these are definitely worth it. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. So that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching. Also make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any future uploads. Also make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms at MUA Carla Trevino, where I share with you makeup tips and tricks, fashion, and lifestyle because we all want to look good on a budget. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.